Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, unplug the keyboard and orient it so the switches face up, which gives you better leverage. Use a keycap puller hooked under opposite sides of the key. Pull straight up with steady force to avoid bending stems. Once done with one key, place it in a labeled tray so reassembly is simple. Make sure to clear debris with a small brush as you go, because removing loose grit now prevents damage later and speeds up the process. Continue by tackling the trickier parts. Stabilized keys like the spacebar or shift require you to lift both sides evenly, so use 2 fingers or a wide puller and lift one side a little, then the other. This prevents bending the stabilizer wires. For snug caps, wiggle slightly while pulling straight up. Never pry sideways because that can crack stems. Once done, check the switch tops for dust. Cleaning now makes reinstallation smooth and finish by reinstalling caps. Align each keycap stem with the switch stem and press straight down until you feel the click. Do 1 row at a time to keep order. Once all caps are back, test every key. If a stabilized key feels uneven, remove and reseat the wire into the clips before pressing the cap down. If a key sticks or fails, check for trapped debris or a bent stem. Make sure to reseat gently rather than forcing, because forcing can break clips or switches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.